It's just a little update. The gungo peas over here. This is a what you call a herb bush section. Potatoes growing all over the place, peppers. I have callaloo I planted in here. All the lettuce almost gone. I have baby peppers, parsley, onions all along there. All these basils is from seeds. They're coming up nice. Arugula, beets, red beets, and I had callaloo seeds sowed in here. The black grape vine is doing great. And I also added the red grape. Blueberries. Coming up, I got sugar cane. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Got pumpkin over here. Over here I got corn, tomatoes, cucumbers. I want to plant some more cucumber seed right in those space right there. Cucumbers. I have gungo peas. Gungo peas over there. Okra down there. Corn. And these are from peppers from last year. Coming back up. Corn back there. Something is eating this pepper plant. Sunflower. This is callaloo seeds that's planted in there. So I'm gonna get those suckers out soon. In here, I have a lot of sorrel. I can't do nothing yet until they come up a little higher, so I can clean it out. I don't want to go in there and start cleaning it out and wind up killing the sorrel that's coming up. Mint, pear tree, cherry tree, pomegranate, string beans, all string beans over here. Another pear, plum. Got some plums in there. Peach. It's loaded. I just gotta go up underneath to find them. But it has quite a few on there. Over here is red peas or kidney beans. Oof. Pomegranate. Persimmon, I'm sorry. Persimmon. Tree is loaded. Oof. Nectarines. Tree is loaded. Oh my God. Something. I think a deer got killed in those bushes up there. Another pomegranate planting. I got sorrel coming up all over in there. All over here. sorrel seeds coming up. Can't do nothing yet till the sorrel they come up and I could recognize them. Got more banana trees. Okay, in those bushes over here. Up there, I think there's a deer that's dead. Because the main road is up there. And the deers, they run across the street, get hit and go in the bushes. But I could smell it. But I'm not going in there for it because I didn't put it in there. So, whew, I'm out of here. Over here is the fig. Every year I have to cut this back. Every year I have to cut it back. And this one, I got air layered on this. And what I'm gonna do, I want to video me cutting it and checking it to see what's going on. Alright guys, this is my little oasis. Catch you guys on the next one.